Today, on October 15th, 2025, the world is captivated by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence. AI creating stunning art, writing complex code, helping doctors diagnose diseases. However, beneath this exciting surface, a serious problem is quietly growing. Power to build and control these models is concentrating in a few massive corporations. They have vast computational resources, enormous data sets, and billions of dollars to train the next generation of intelligence. This creates a walled garden where innovation is permissioned and access is controlled, raising deep concerns about censorship, bias, and a future dictated by a handful of companies. Many fear we are abandoning an open and democratic internet. When a few entities control digital intelligence, they become gatekeepers of knowledge and innovation. Models could be trained with biases serving corporate or national interests. Smaller developers are stifled by lack of resources. We risk AI becoming proprietary for a select few, limiting potential and creating an uneven playing field. Imagine a single library that holds all the world's books, but one librarian decides what you may read and publish. This is the risk we face with centralized AI. Algorithms shaping economies, healthcare, and information flows could be narrowed by commercial goals. The internet's promise was decentralization. A radical idea emerges. How do we build world-class AI without handing over the keys? Not one better AI, but thousands improving each other. This is Bittensor, a decentralized market where intelligence is openly traded. In the simplest terms, Bittensor is not a single AI model. It is a vast, interconnected network, a global marketplace for artificial intelligence. Think of it as a digital arena, where thousands of AI models compete. Its native coin, TAO, fuels the ecosystem. Bittensor breaks from closed-off big tech. Anyone can connect their model, from a university researcher to a hobbyist coder, contribute and be compensated. A collective brain, not one giant model. The network is a blockchain tracking intelligence. Models are evaluated, ranked, and improved by competition. Specialized subnets route queries to the best models. AI models called miners produce answers to prompts. They are run by individuals and teams around the world. Miners aim for coherent, relevant, helpful responses. Validators act as judges, sending prompts and scoring replies. They evaluate accuracy, originality, and efficiency. Validators reach consensus on rankings within each subnet. Rankings determine who gets rewarded. TAO is emitted to miners and validators based on performance. Incentives drive model improvement and honest validation. All activity is recorded on-chain for public verification. You can see who earned what and why. This cycle forms a perpetual motion machine for decentralized AI. Let's imagine a small, independent app developer named Priya. Priya wants to help students learn complex science. A student can ask any question and get a clear, accurate, easy-to-understand answer. Building her own model is costly. Paying a closed API is expensive and limiting. Instead, Priya integrates with the Bittensor network. Queries route to the right subnet. Multiple models from around the world race to answer. Validators assess accuracy, clarity, and depth to find the best response. The network synthesizes or selects the best answer and returns it in seconds. Priya pays a small fee in TAO, rewarding the miner and validators. It's cheaper than monopolistic APIs and more resilient to policy changes. Benefit 1. Permissionless innovation. Anyone can develop a model, connect, and compete for rewards. This opens doors for academia, independent labs, and developing countries. It spurs a Cambrian explosion of approaches and avoids monoculture. Benefit 2. Censorship resistance and neutrality. Benefit 3. Efficient markets reward useful intelligence. Risk 1. Emergent centralization by well-capitalized players. Risk 2. Incentive vulnerabilities like collusion or gaming attacks. Risk 3. Regulatory uncertainty and adoption challenges. Bittensor aligns miners, validators, and users toward increasing collective intelligence. It offers a decentralized alternative to centralized AI control. With TAO as the incentive engine, value flows where intelligence proves most useful.